In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations in Lovable AI. So to do that, you just need to open your Lovable AI project and you can see right here the elements that we have for that. So I want to animate all of this right here as well as a title. So what you can do is we can just chat right here. Let's ask Lovable to do this. Animate the title in this page by adding a particular animation. So you can choose between fade, slide, or the legs. A bouncing animation. So you can just send that to Lovable. And after that, this will think and edit your actual site. As you can see, I've only just inputted these details and it will add right here the fade animation. This will read the CSS, list it, and edit it according to what we have inputted right here. So for this case, just wait for this to successfully load. As you can see, an edit has been made, so this will reload your actual site. And as you can see, our title right now is bouncing with this particular animation. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.